Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for your pretty little thing online shopping. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your secure and smooth browsing experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for pretty little thing shoppers? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your payment info and personal details stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never risk exposing your IP while checking out those must-have pretty little thing deals. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what pages you visit or what you buy. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for pretty little thing shopping. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for pretty little thing because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data wipes clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be phishing scams or fake pretty little thing promos, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with trusted friends for a super secure private shopping party. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once while browsing pretty little thing. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy pretty little thing shopper can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any pretty little thing shopper worried about slow loading pages during big sales, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your shopping traffic for a potential speed boost. But keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that faster browsing. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for pretty little thing shopping? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLinks technology. This means less lag and faster page loads. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady connection times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies, with speeds that can dip depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast and uninterrupted pretty little thing browsing is your top priority. You can't stand slow loading pages during flash sales, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole household of pretty little thing shoppers. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused pretty little thing shopper who needs real proof to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for pretty little thing shopping. See you soon.